Okay, this is the tutorial, whatever it's called, how to make a fake burp. First, suck up air. Then, swallow and make the burping. Sometimes it is loud, sometimes it is soft. Most of the time, though, if you burp, the air will get congested into your stomach and you will feel worse. So if you do feel sick and need to burp, the best way to do it is to drink ginger ale consistently or drink pop. And if you feel something coming out, just push and the burp will come out just like that. Watch. Hold on. See? There you go. That was climbing up my throat. I could feel it right there. And it finally came out. Okay? This is for Veronica, because she still cannot make a fake burp. Or a real burp, for that matter.